A rising 7-month channel top that is now at 474.90 could contain monthly buying pressures, and once tested, the market then susceptible to falling away back into the 360s within a matter of a month or two. We're a couple of weeks into testing 474.90. It does look like we could actually see 362.93 over the next couple of weeks. We do have this rising channel top on the daily chart at 406.76. This may well contain weekly selling pressures, and from here we could round up into the 470s within 2 to 3 weeks. And so I think that is a play. If you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader, there's really nothing to do in this present vicinity until we reach 406.76. And then you could consider bottom picking as we continue through the rest of October, rounding back up perhaps into the 470s. If we close below 406.76, we are anticipating the very clear possibility of 357.04, which is a rising channel bottom, and that 362.93 level. And if we close below 406.76, we're just another week, 2 at the most, away from testing it. If we close today below 406.76, that is your next short sale opportunity. That would then likely yield by the end of next week 357.04 to 362.93, where we could bottom out through the rest of the year, and from here round up within 3 to 5 months, let's say, to 525.18. That is our 5 to 8 month dynamic. Until then, this is the only area to bottom pick on not only a daily basis, day traders, but also a 3 to 5 day swing trade basis, where we could round back up to 448.43 over the next 3 to 5 days. The day itself, I've got 425.23 as an intraday resistance. That is that pullback low from Wednesday of last week, and then we traded inside on Thursday. We pushed above Wednesday's high on Friday and collapsed below it. So I see this as a pretty decent pivot point. Also know that if we push through 425.23, we've likely marked a good low for the day, and the 448.43 level not out of the question as a possible intraday objective, this given the presently heightened volatility. Worst case, that if we close today above 425.23, we should tomorrow Tuesday test 448.43. So if you're looking for a 3 to 5 day swing trade, it's buying 406.76 and selling 448.43. We could trade inside of this for much of the week. But if you're looking for kind of a 1 to 2 week swing trade, it's buying 406.76 and then holding out again for 467.05, that channel top. If we close below 406.76, if you're short still from the 460s from a couple of weeks ago, bravo. You hold that short into the 357.04 to 362.93 area. Over the next week or two, we should test it following a settlement today below 406.76. So 406.76 is a former channel top. We closed above it weeks ago. That set off a secondary buy signal. So we've yet to ease back to this channel top. If we do close above the 448.43 descending channel top over the next few days, that is a good low for the week. And we then retest the 467.05 up to the 474.90 region within a matter of days, where we could once again top out through November and fall away.
Want more wins in your portfolio? Get Daily SPY and Triple Q analysis that gives you a clear plan for the market's next move, plus 2 high probability stock picks each week, complete with entry, stop, and targets. Standout names we've covered include GE Vernova, AMD, and Robinhood. Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.